Hey, welcome guys, this is me Harry and you're watching my YouTube channel Learn It. And in this video I have something special because I bought a new DSLR. This is the Canon 200d. That's my favorite camera. So finally I buy this camera and I sell out my old one Canon D5300. I just sell out and now I buy this new camera Canon 200d. So that's my favorite camera. So without wasting the time, so let's unbox this camera. So first of all, I'm gonna unbox. We have a user manual book for your guidance. Oh my gosh. User manual guide. Okay, so I just put here. Wow, first of all we have an icon stripe, and this is charging cable. Yeah, that's charging cable. And here is charging adapter. Yeah, charging. This is charging adapter. You can read the specifications. And now I just put here. Yeah, here is the battery. Main battery. So 1040 mAh battery. Okay. So here's some also details mentioned. Okay, so and here is the kit lens. This camera becomes with the 18 to 55 mm kit lens. The kit lens, you can see 18 to 55 mm lens, and here is autofocus and manual focus and image stabilizer. So okay, let's check the body. Main body. Yeah, here is the main body. Okay, so wow, oh my god, so nice. It's too much lightweight. You can see this is Canon 200d. And here is the main body. This is main body, and this camera becomes with a flip up display, and this camera becomes with a touch screen and very lightweight. So I just adjust the here kit lens and then show you. Okay, so guys, finally our DSLR is ready. I just adjust the lens, and here is a battery and micro SD card. Sorry, not micro SD card. This is especially DSLR card. And here is the battery and the lens. So I just turn on. I think the battery is low. I think so. Shit. You can see the battery is very low. I already adjust the settings. And now this is the main interface of the camera. I will make the video, another video I will make especially for reviewing and setting how to adjust the camera setting and everything else. So this is only unboxing video. I hope so you will be like my video. I especially buy this camera for my YouTube channel because my another camera Nikon D5300 do not have a better perform and always have a focus issue. So I buy this Canon 200d because this camera becomes with a dual pixel autofocus technology. So that's good. I will make another video and will review about this camera. So I hope you will be like. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also please click on the bell icon for getting a notification of my new videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.